Welcome back, friends. Today's topic is how to use Group by function in Microsoft Excel. As the function name suggests, Group by function is used for grouping the data based on row fields, where we can choose multiple calculation options for grouping. This function has total 8 arguments, where first 3 are the compulsory and last 5 are the optional. Before starting using the function, first understand the data and requirements. In this sheet, I have a sales data which includes date, product name, and quantity sold. Based on this data, I have to make 4 different types of report. These are 1. Product-wise quantities sold report. 2. Product-wise daily total quantity sold report. 3. Product-wise quantity report by considering the rows that has quantity greater than 50 units. 4. Product-wise quantity sold report by sorting the product names in descending order. All these reports can be generated by using the Group by function. Let's get started. First, to create the product-wise quantity sold report, click on this cell, then use the Group by function. In the row fields, select the column based on which you want to make group, that is the product name column. In the values field, select the column based on which you want to aggregate the numbers, which is the quantity sold column. In the function, double-click on the calculation option, which is the sum function in this case. Close bracket and press Enter. Here you see the product-wise quantity sold report is created. However, this report lacks one thing. That is, the column header is missing. To display the column headers, use the 4th parameter of the function, which is the field headers. Double-click on the formula. Before the closing bracket, put a comma, then choose this Yes and Show option. Press Enter. Report is created with the column headers. The second requirement is to make report on daily product-wise total quantity sold. In this case, we have to create group from 2 columns. Click on the cell and use the Group by function. In the row field, select date and product name range. In values, select the quantity range. In function, select the sum function. In field headers, select Yes and Show option. In total depth parameter, you can select different options for displaying the total and subtotal. If you select this grand total at top option, the total will be given at the top of the data. Selecting this No Totals option will remove the grand total. Selecting this grand and subtotals option will show the grand total and subtotals for every single day. Let me change the number format of dates to the date format. Here you see, these are the subtotals for every single day. Next requirement is to make product-wise sales report by only considering the rows where the quantity is greater than 50 units. In this case, we can use the 7th parameter of the function. Press equals and use the Group by function. In row fields, select the product name column. In values, select the quantity column. In function, select the sum function. In field header, select Yes and Show. You can skip the total depth and sort order parameter by putting 3 commas, which will take the default values. In the filter array parameter, put the condition that is quantity should be greater than 50 units. Select the quantity range and put greater than symbol, then 50. Close bracket and press Enter. This is the product-wise quantity sold report by taking only the rows which has quantities greater than 50 units. The next requirement is to make the product-wise quantities sold report by keeping the product names in descending order. In this case, the sort parameter of the function comes into effect. In sort order parameter, Put -1 for the descending sort. This is the product-wise quantity report where the product names are sorted in descending order. So, that was all about the group by function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this function, download the sample workbook file from the link given in video description section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for new video tutorials on Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next video.